Hey guys, it's US Storms and Sirens. Welcome back to another video. Today we're getting some 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts in Frisco from the southwest again. There's also a storm right over there and it's coming our way, and you can see the storm right there. It's coming our way because of those dark clouds. But yeah, right now we're just getting 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts. So let's see what happens here. Yeah, there's also a bad storm on the way too. It could produce gusty winds and hail. Yeah, the trees were so loud too. Like, this wind was so crazy. Like, I was walking over here one time and then this huge gust just completely bent over my oak tree. But holy cow, this is some wind right here. Look at that. Wow. Crazy. Crazy wind. Look, you can see the storm right there. Right over there, coming our way. And the trees have finally had their leaves back. Every single tree has their leaves back, so that's good. It actually looks like summertime again. Wow, look at this wind. These have to be at least some good 30-mile-an-hour gusts. Yeah, it literally feels like June already. It actually feels like June right now. But it's April. It's April. I think today's April 3rd. Here, let me check. Oh, yo, today is April 3rd. Okay. Yeah, look at these clouds. It is one gray day today. It is such a cloudy day. It's also very hot too. It's finally warm, very warm today. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Look at that. Crazy. Look at the sun just peeking out. Nice. Live oaks are coming back. They are coming back, so. Yeah. A lot of sun today. But now, since there's a storm on the way, it's about to get very dark. Very dark and windy. Probably in the next hour. That storm over there said it was gonna be here around 6 o'clock. 6 o'clock, and it's currently 4:36. So we got about an hour and a half until that storm comes this way. There's an even worser one coming at 2 in the morning, I think. I'm not sure. I'll have to double check the radar, but yeah, right now we're just getting 30-mile-an-hour winds. Wow. This little Bradford pear right here looks like it's gonna break because of all that weight on that one limb with leaves on it. Now these clouds are moving pretty quick. They're just crazy blowing. Look at that. Yeah, the wind will completely stop for some reason. It's weird. Yeah, it actually feels like July right now. Because July is a hot, dry month for us. Still no big gusts yet. As you can see, my bald cypress is coming back, including my oak tree. All my trees are coming back. Yep, the two big trees are coming back. Dude, it is very hot outside today. I would say it's around like 80 degrees right now. There goes a gust right there. Wow. And today's Friday, and I have off of school today because of it's a break. I'm on a break. I have off today and Monday. So can't believe it, guys. It's already almost the end of the school year. It felt like August was like a couple months ago. Now we came all this time to April. Wow. Yeah, my oak tree is going kind of crazy. Oh my goodness. That was a good gust. That had to be like a 20-mile-an-hour gust. Maybe a 25. Look at the dark clouds. You can see them coming in. You can see them coming in right there. Oh my gosh, dude. Yeah, and guess what? Sometimes when they say damaging winds and hail, they don't even mean that. Every time there's a storm and they talk about that, all that happens is just a long-lived, heavy downpour rainstorm. That's all that happens, nothing special. Just not even damaging winds, just rain. But yeah, that was a good gust over there. There go the live oaks. Got leaves blowing across the road. Hey, they put in a, looks like they put in a new walkway right there. It's pretty nice. Holy cow. All right, guys, let's go to the backyard. Okay, before we go to the backyard, I'm going to hear the cypress swish real quick. Let's see if we can hear it before we go to the back. There you go. All right, let's go to the back. Okay, we're in the backyard now. As you can see, that Chinese pistachio right there has grown. It's grown its leaves, as you can see. Yeah, that pistachio finally grown its leaves back. All the trees in my neighborhood are back. So, there's my dead tree right there. Wow. There's a gust. Look at my tree. Let's see if we can see the storm from the backyard here. Oh, there's part of it right there. Wow. Wow. Just crazy. There's Harriet. Hey, Bear. Say hi. Shut up. But holy cow, look at my tree. We let her inside. Yeah. Yeah. Trees blowing around a lot. This tree's been blowing around a lot all day. Luckily, it's still in its same place. I'm gonna go to the back door here. Yeah, everyone's busy today preparing for the storm. People are just mowing their lawns last minute. Those two little mulberry trees right there. There goes that Chinese elm over there. The big one. Look at my tree. Man, that boy's jiggling. Wow, just crazy wind. It also rained like, I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before, but it rained. It rained a lot. Because April and May and June are the most active times for severe weather for us. Because in June, we had a storm with 80-mile-per-hour winds. And I couldn't record that because it was too dangerous. So if you guys keep liking the videos, then I will definitely film the next storm with 80-mile-per-hour winds. Let's hope it happens during the day. Because it's been forever since that happened. A storm with 80-mile-an-hour winds during the day. There goes that Chinese elm again. Mulberry's coming back. Yeah, I can smell people mowing the lawn. I can smell it. I can smell the cut grass. It smells kind of good. Yeah, my tree's blowing around a lot today. After this video, I'm going to play on the computer and eat a snack. And just wait for the storm. And charge my phone so I have filming time. Let's see how closer it's gotten since the last time I looked here. Oh, let's go to this side. Oh, there's a lizard. Yeah, it's gotten a little close. As you can see over there. There's my tree. Well, not the tree, a branch that came from the tree. That's a branch that came from my oak tree over there while we were doing some pruning. And I decided to put it in the stump so that it can decay away so I can eventually push it over one day. That's what I do. I know a lot of people don't even do that because they think it's crazy and weird. Whoa, look at my tree. Holy cow, dude. That was a good gust on it right there. That was crazy. That was a good 25-mile-an-hour gust on my dead tree right there. It looks good. It's about to rain pretty soon.
Maybe.
I don't know if it's severe or not, but I'll have to check.
I know, it's definitely going in.
Yeah, the storm is sucking in all this wind and gaining strength. The wind is sucking, no, not the wind is sucking. The storm is sucking in all this wind, and that's what gives the storm strength. That's what I heard from Bart Payton Vlogs. He is a great storm chaser. And go subscribe to Storm Chaser Chad. He is a great storm chaser. And I learned all this stuff from him. So the more winds that go into the storm, the bigger and stronger the storm will get. And that's what's happening right now. There's Harriet, the Oreo dog. Harriet the Oreo dog. You guys probably know her. What the heck was that? I heard something like fall. Stupid. Yeah, the Bradford pear just drops leaves in strong winds. Well, looks like it's actually going away from us. Yeah, it hasn't gotten any closer last time. So I think the storm is headed out. It's okay, there's more coming tonight, so. The winds are coming in, the storms are coming in from the northwest. So like over there. Okay guys, I'm gonna have to end off the video here. It's getting too hot. And I'm gonna have to charge my phone now so I can have filming time. The more time I keep filming, the less time I'll have. Alright, so I appreciate y'all for watching. Please like and sub. And I'll see y'all in the next one. I will see y'all in the next one. Bye-bye.